Wind farm operations are an integral part of the promise and potential of renewable energy solutions, and keeping those operations running smoothly are a vital part of your business. On a daily basis, you are faced with maintaining assets, ensuring crew safety, and maximizing power generation by optimizing maintenance schedules. Rely on DTN's WeatherSentry insights and patented technology to accurately forecast conditions. Provide daily farm-specific reports with lightning detection capabilities. Deliver turbine blade inspection reports, and monitor hub height winds. With the additional support of our staff of over 50-degreed meteorologists, you have a team and assurance that you are backed by the most accurate insights in the industry. We deliver the most comprehensive wind solution on the market. Your free trial is ready. Get started today.